In today's video, I'm going to teach you the latest strategies for making money on Wayfair in 2025. If you've ever wondered how you can leverage the massive platform that is Wayfair to create a new income stream, you're in the right place. Let's dive into some of the most effective strategies you can employ today. To begin, head over to the Wayfair website and look for the option to become a Wayfair supplier. This is your first step in entering the world of selling through Wayfair. Once you've found that option, begin your application journey by visiting partners.wayfair.com. It's here where you'll fill out all the necessary information to apply as a supplier. After your application is approved, you'll be taking your first steps towards uploading your home or decor products. This is a fantastic opportunity because Wayfair takes on the role of handling fulfillment and customer service, allowing you to focus solely on the products themselves. Another powerful route you can explore is Wayfair's affiliate marketing program. By clicking on the relevant section, you can opt to join either through cj.com or impact.com. Both of these platforms provide robust support for affiliate marketers. Once you're in, you can start sharing these affiliate links on various platforms like blogs, YouTube, or Pinterest. It's a smart strategy because you earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. If you're interested in a more retail-focused approach, consider launching a home decor niche store using Shopify or WooCommerce. After setting up your store, import Wayfair affiliate products and link them to your affiliate URLs. This way, when shoppers go through your site and make a purchase via Wayfair's platform, you earn a commission, turning your store into a seamless revenue-generating machine. For those with a professional slant, joining the Wayfair Professional Program is an excellent way to enhance your earning potential. Tailored for designers, realtors, and contractors, this program provides access to exclusive deals and professional-grade services, allowing you to pass savings and value on to your clients. Lastly, don't overlook the open box deals on Wayfair. By visiting wayfair.com/openbox, you can source discounted items to buy and resell. This method offers a tangible profit opportunity by flipping these items on platforms like Facebook Marketplace or local shops, putting your entrepreneurial skills to the test. By weaving these strategies into your business plan, you tap into a multifaceted system that offers various pathways to make money with Wayfair. Whether you're a creator, a professional, or an entrepreneur at heart, the possibilities with Wayfair